Hello students, from the previous videos we have been studying non-linear applications of operational amplifier. See, operational amplifier is a very versatile amplifier, that is a direct coupled multi-stage amplifier. So which has very high gain, high input impedance, low output impedance, and very high bandwidth by definition. So here non-linear applications are those where output and input signal functions may change or will change. Means what? If you give triangle signal, output will be can be a pulse or a square, like that. Some mathematical operation will be carried on that input signal and the output signal function will change. Therefore, they are called as non-linear applications. If the input and output signal functions are same, means what? If you give sine, again you get only same sine wave at the output, then it will not be called as non-linear application. So here in non-linear applications we have already studied two applications, namely differentiator and integrator. Here we study one more non-linear applications of op-amp, that is logarithmic amplifier. Op-amp as logarithmic amplifier. Op-amp as logarithmic amplifier. Okay. So here in logarithmic amplifier, a circuit, it is a circuit whose output is proportional to natural log of input voltage. Okay, so input voltage na value ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಲಾಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ that much voltage is obtained at the output. So this is what definition. Okay, definition. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಆಪ್-ಆಂಪ್ an ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಆಪ್-ಆಂಪ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂತಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಆಪ್-ಆಂಪ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ಐಡಿಯಲ್ characteristics. Okay, so this is what circuit symbol of op-amp. So this is circuit symbol of op-amp. In logarithmic amplifier we connect one resistor here at the input section and we call that one as Ri, and a feedback element is connected across output terminal and inverting terminal. Okay, here in case of logarithmic amplifier we make use of a diode, a non-linear element here, diode. Nodi, so far we have seen resistor has feedback element, and in integrator and capacitor differentiator we have seen capacitor as a feedback element. So right, so in integrator we have seen capacitor as feedback element. So here in case of logarithmic amplifier, first time we are seeing a non-linear element like diode as feedback element. So here we'll understand how to remember this connection, that is anode ಮತ್ತೆ cathode ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So you may ask how to remember this one, means what, how, where this anode must be connected and cathode, right? So here see, we always provide a positive voltage here. Okay, so positive voltage, therefore anode of the diode should be towards what, input terminal. Okay, so input terminal kade positive voltage ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, so ಅದರ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು anode. The another terminal, that is cathode, will follow the other side. Okay, so in case of logarithmic amplifier, we have connected a diode as feedback element. Okay, so non-inverting terminal is connected to what? Ground, that is zero potential. Ground ಗೆ connect ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So this is node A, this is node B, right? So here where Vi is the input voltage, and we always connect AC, of course, right? Because AC value ಗೆ ನಾವು logarithmic value calculate ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ DC signal ನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? So Vi is the input voltage, right? Applied through Ri. Okay, diode D is the feedback element connected across ಯಾವುದು inverting terminal and output terminal. Okay, so non-inverting terminal is connected to ground. Okay, plus VCC and minus VEE provide required biasing. Okay, so next, from ideal characteristics, we know that ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು, open loop gain, that is capital A, is infinite. Input impedance is infinite. So because of this, input current is 0. So here, because of this input voltage, there will be current II. Okay, so II. Here there is a node A where current is supposed to divide according to Kirchhoff current law. So let us call this one as ID and IB. Fair enough? Since we always provide only DC input to this terminal, we specify these currents in capital letter. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬರ್ದಾರೆ, ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು DC ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, IB is 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ KVL at node A. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ ಎ ಹತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, KVL ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ II is the incoming current at node A. Then it divides as current through diode plus current into op amp, that is IB. Since IB is 0, right? Since IB is 0, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, II is equal to ID, that is equation 1. ಸರಿನಾ? And VA is equal to VB is equal to 0, that is virtual ground concept. Sarina, since VB is equal to 0, VA is also 0. Right. Then equation 1 ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ I is equal to ID na, we have to define them in resistance and what potential difference, right? So okay, so here I is ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು current through RI ಅಲ್ವಾ. So potential difference across RI by RI. What is potential difference across RI? VI minus VA. ನೋಡಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, I mean terminal, right? So VI minus VA. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ by RI, voltage, potential difference by resistance. So this is what VI by RI. I can be written as VI by RI, and ID is diode current. Okay, so current through diode, okay. Therefore using Shockley's diode equation. ನೋಡಿ diode equation ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಶಾಕ್ಲೆಸ್ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ID, that is current through diode, is equal to IS into exponential of VD by eta VT minus 1. Okay, so ID means current through diode, IS means saturation current. Okay, saturation current. VD is what? Voltage across the diode. Eta means, okay, coefficient factor. Okay, coefficient factor. Okay, so VT, thermal voltage, IS, saturation current. VD, diode, voltage across diode. Okay, so ID is what? Current through diode, and this is a direct expression. You just need this expression in this derivation only, in the logarithmic and anti-logarithmic amplifier. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. So using this expression we define ID here. ಸರಿನಾ? So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ID is equal to IS into exponential power. VD is how much? See here, VD is equal to what? Voltage across diode. So that can be defined as potential across the diode, that is VA minus V0 by, VA minus V0, that is potential across diode. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ VD is equal to what? Minus V0. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ VD ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ VD ಇದು VO ಅಲ್ಲ, VD, here VD. So VD is equal to ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? Minus V0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪವರ್ VD ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ V0 ಬರೀತೀನಿ, eta into VT ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here we take assumption since e power VD by eta VT will be much greater than 1. Okay, this exponential power VD by eta VT will be always much greater than 1. Therefore subtracting 1 is theoretically considered as no difference. Theoretically we consider that it is not going to make much difference. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ this minus 1 or that subtraction is not considered or neglected. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ID ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? ID is equal to IS of exponential power minus V0 by eta into VT ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Therefore equation 1 implies I ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? VI by RI ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸರಿನಾ? ಅದೇ ತರ ಐ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ IS ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ V0 ಬೈ ಈಟಾ VT. ಸರಿನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಏನಂದ್ರೆ VI ಬೈ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ VI ಬೈ RI ಮತ್ತೆ IS ನ ಕೂಡ LHS ಇದ್ದೋಣ, ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ is equal to e power minus V0 by eta VT ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. VI by RI into IS, this is IS into RI is equal to exponential power minus V0 by eta into VT ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, VI by RI into IS is equal to minus exponential, okay sorry, exponential power minus V0 by eta into VT ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ log E log natural log on both side. Okay, on both side. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, okay, so log E of VI by RI into IS to the base E is equal to log of exponential power V0 by eta into VT to the base E. Okay, so log to the base E is 1, so remaining is minus V0 by eta into VT is equal to log VI by RI into IS to the base E. Therefore, V0 is equal to minus eta into VT log of VI by RI into IS to the base E. So, this is what? Output voltage expression of this circuit. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, eta VT they are what constant values. Okay, so coefficient factor, it is a one factor, it's a number, depends on this type of semiconductor or diode. VT is also thermal voltage, that is constant for germanium and also silicon, depending on the type of diode. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುವಂತದ್ದು VI. Okay, so since we cannot take this outside, right, RI and IS, right, so log of this one, okay, so can we write this one as V0 is proportional to log of VI. so ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಸರಿನಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ, output of this circuit will be what? Logarithm is proportional to natural log of input voltage. Sarina? So this is how an op amp works as a logarithmic amplifier. Okay, thank you.